Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily synchronize your Xiaomi Mi Band. Here you can see Xiaomi Mi Band 3 with your Android device. So for synchronizing it, you just need to install application from Play Store. So just go to Play Store, and in Play Store you need to find application. Application Mi Fit. So just click on install and just wait until it will successfully install it to your mobile phone. Download and install. So just wait until it will install it to your mobile phone. So just click on open after it will install, and here you will see so just click on open, and it will open your application. So now you just need to sign into your account, and if you haven't any account you need to create it. So now I will enter my info and just so now I just need to wait some time after it will successfully synchronizing your Xiaomi with your phone. So now it's connecting, and you will see your device here. I will show for you. go to profile, and here you can see my Mi Band 3. So now it's connecting to my device, so this is how it works. So just wait until it will successfully synchronize and copy all info to your Android device. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.